What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So, quick thing, I actually decided to change the name of my YouTube from the Tech Guru to Tech Talk. So, going forward, that's what we're going to call the show. We're going to call it Tech Talk. So, I just got a really quick video for you guys today. I wanted to go over something that a lot of people may not know when it comes to your Apple Watch. So, last Monday, I was having some issues with my Apple Watch. The battery kept dying. This has actually been going on for a while, but the battery kept dying over and over. So I actually looked into settings and I saw that I was running out of battery health. So if you go to settings and you click battery, you're able to see the battery health. And if it's anything under 80%, that generally means that your battery needs to be serviced. So you're left with two things. Either you can buy a new watch or you get the watch service. And I decided to go with getting the watch service. Yeah, so I decided to get the watch service. It was $79. So $79 to replace the battery. I actually ended up finding out that when you go to get your battery replaced, they actually replace the whole device. So instead of you just getting the same device that you had back, you're actually gonna get back a brand new, or what I think is possibly refurbished, but they send you out a brand new unit. They send you out a brand new unit, and when you're at the Apple Store, they'll take the bands off the watch, and they'll actually just take the actual head, the face, and then after that, you have to wait to get your new watch back. So I did this last Monday. Everything was completed within probably, I want to say, 2 to 3 days. And then after that, I was just waiting for them to ship it out. They shipped it out on Saturday. I got it on Monday. So in total, it was about 7 days from me dropping it off on Monday, and then I'm getting it back on Monday. So as far as like the process, it's the same thing. I have the cellular watch, so all I had to do was set it up. So as far as setting up and pairing the watch, it was pretty simple. You just set it up either from a backup or as a new device. And if you have the cellular one like I do, you can when you go through the setup process, it's going to ask you, do you want to set up as a new watch or do you want to replace the watch that you have on your plan? And I chose to just replace the watch that I have on my plan, and everything is set up. So it's just a quick video to let people know, if you're having issues with your watch, just go online or go to the Apple Store and find out how much does it actually cost to get your watch service for a battery repair. Me personally, I decided not to go with buying a new watch because I'm gonna wait to see what the new watches look like. Like I said, I have the four, and the watches that have came out previously, I just feel like they're too similar. So I'm waiting for a design change or something different, something not the same for what we've been used to. And $79 to me wasn't a bad bargain to get a brand new unit and a fully functioning watch. So if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more from Tech Talk. Thank you for watching.